Alright, so we got a little bit of a ice storm going on here. It's been going on all morning. I was going to show the snow and how it looks like it's pretty good, but it's all ice. You gotta break it in, and you got this nice layer of ice. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. The car's getting all iced up, and there's even icicles forming on the bottom of everything, so pretty amazing. So, second day I don't have to go into work, yay! But I just hope we don't lose power with these trees up there, because we live right over there, and that would not be good. But anyway, thought I'd shoot a little video for you.